Joy from Joyquilts. We're now going to stitch out that alfresco design that we just programmed on the machine in the last video. So we nested them pretty close together. And this quilt, the borders are just a little stretched, so I'm going to have to nip over there and just kind of catch the end of it before it starts to sew. So let's get started. Pull up the bobbin thread. And ready to sew. Sometimes it happens, the borders get stretched a little thin, and then you kind of have to hold it for the first pattern, maybe first pattern in a bit. And then you can let it go and finish its row. Then you just do the same thing with the next row. As I said, this design is called alfresco. It's quite a long pattern. See if I can't zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. Interesting fabric. I believe it's the Quilt for the Cure fabric. Again, we're quilting on a Bernina Q24 with Q-matic software and Art and Stitch version 5. And basically what we've done with this one is we left it pretty much the same size as it comes in and just nested them a little bit closer together, so there's not too much space between rows. Quilting with two different colors of polysheen thread, using a pink on the top and almost white on the bottom, because the backing on this quilt is a bit of a pink stripe. And often we use two different colors, top and bottom. The only one that really gives us a problem is red and white. Really doesn't like to blend. You can see it stitching out that alfresco flower. Basically all we need to do now is watch it and make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. Joyquilts at joyquilts.com, joyquilts@hotmail.com, and on Facebook. Any questions or comments? We'll be glad to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.